You see you out here in the snow, mama? Woo, good morning, smoke stormers. We out here. It's a little chilly today, but I'm about to let them run around for a second while we do. Come here. You guys want to run? Huh? Want to run? Ooh, the sun just went in. That boy. God bless. Look at that. You can't see it. That's the reason why I named her Storm, though. Look at the clouds. Woo! It just got dark over us, mama. It's a beautiful, beautiful view, though. This is so gorgeous. South side of Chicago. Come on, buddy. Come on. You guys want to run? Come here. And God said, let there be light. It's back out, baby. Just a little patch of clouds just passed by. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Smoke. Sit. Smoke. Smoke. You're not listening. Hey. Siéntate. Good boy. Start listening, man, so I won't have to pull your choke chain, boss. Is there somebody? Well, if it is, they'll be all right. Go. Go. Woo! Good girl, mama. She's a big girl. Whoa. She almost fell. Where's he at? Where's the big boy at? And that dude right there, boy. They gotta have their morning exercise. I don't like that part. Hey, you guys are gonna get that stuff in your mouth, man. Good boy. Come here. Let me take the choke chain off. Come here. Stop. Come here. Let me take that off.